Hi there, welcome to Knowledge Second. This is the second part of the video tutorial of WebPlotDigitizer. In the first part, discuss about the extract of the data from the 2D XY plot and 2D bar plot. And in this tutorial, we will learn how to extract the data from 2D XY plot by automatically. First of all, as we previously mentioned, to upload the images through manually or drag or copy paste. First of all, we load the images, choose file and upload our specific image. Then we select it. After that, they give us a menu such as choose plot types. This one is our 2D XY plot. First of all, we select is align axis, and then they show us the two options. One is a x1 and x2 that highlight the x-axis, and second one is a y1 and y2. Need to select 2 points. That one is a highlight y-axis. When we click on proceed, now first of all we select our x1. In the right top of the this box is a magnifier that help us to select our exact or precise point. First of all we select x1, and secondly we select the last point of the x-axis, and similarly we select the y-axis. First of all select y1 and secondly y2. As in the first part we already mentioned that if we need to move this point up and down or need to fix it, then we select it again and we can easily drag up and down according to our requirements. And when we mention our x-axis and y-axis points, then we click on the complete axis calibration, and next we can mention the values here. First of all, x-axis values started from 0 to 5.1, and second one y-axis values from started from the minus 1.1 to 1.1. And if the value is presented in log scale, then we can select it. If value is a normal, then don't need to select it again, and then click on OK. And next, here is our last video discuss about the manual extraction. This one is discuss about the automatic extraction. In the automatic extraction is a mask. There first of all we can select it like a box, second one is a pen tools, and next one is eraser. If we use a pen box or pen tool, then we can easily remove by using X erase tools. And next one is a view. And here is a discuss about the foreground color and background color. If we need select background color is automatically is a white one. When we select on the this color box, they give us a multiple colors. If the background color is not white, then we can select it accordingly. If white is okay, then don't need to select. And next one is a foreground color. Foreground color is a dark blue color. If actually our this lines color is not dark blue, then we need to select it again. If the color is not present here, then we use the color picker. Click on color picker and select directly on this line. They give us our colors according to our graphs. When done it, and then we use a pin tool. When we select on pin tool, then the pin mark is width is increased or decreased. Now we need according to the data we need to select on the last one. We started from our point here. As you can see, this one is a show like this one. If we want to pen tool is a width decrease, then it show more precise, such as you can see here like this one. If you want to increase the width of the pen tool again, then it can show like this one. Next one is a step is run. When we click on run, then they give us our selected points. If point is not on the accurate lines, then we can adjust it. Suppose that these 2 points is outside the line, then we need to delete it or we need to fix it. If we want to adjust the point, click on the adjust point or just press the keyboard button S. First of all, we adjust this one according to, as you can look in the magnifier box. And next one we selected this one, and we can also adjust this point. And first of all this one, and we can, as mentioned, adjust this point. And we need to delete this one, press the delete point, click on it, then automatically delete it. And this point is also outside the line, we can adjust it again. Yes, when it is finalized, then click on a view data. This is our selected line data. As I mentioned previously, we can select it manually or directly. Click on the copy to clipboard. They give us our selected values. And next one, open the Excel sheet. When we open and then directly paste here like a control V, they give us these values. If suppose that have some issues, the new one, then directly paste here like control V, they give us these values. Next one, they give us values like x-axis values and y-axis values, and they are separated between x-axis value and y-axis value through commas. Next, how we can separate it from both x-axis and y-axis value, then we need to go to select on data. Next one is a text to column. When we select on this one, and next they give us another open a new dialog box. When we select is a delimited, and next second one is a fixed width. We select a delimited. When we click on next, they give us here are multiple options delimiter like a tab, semicolon, comma, space. Actually we want to separate from the x-axis to y-axis. After the comma we select it, and then we can go next. They give us this value, finish it automatically. X-axis and y-axis values are separated from each other. If we want to confirm our data is okay, then we select it, these values, and next one is goes to insert, and here is need to go that scattered with smooth line and markers. Here you can see that our data exactly like we extracted from the XY plots. If they have some axis issue, then we can select it like a 5.1 is okay. This one is a looks more close like 1.2 and 1. As this value is as same as this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, give us like, subscribe, and watch other video tutorials for more learning.